Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Gate Remote is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential gadgets for modern living, offering unparalleled convenience and security right at your fingertips, transforming the daily ritual of entering and exiting your property into a seamless, effortless experience that truly elevates your home automation game, making those frustrating moments of fumbling with keys or struggling with manual gates a distant memory. Number 5. Jiuoici Linear 3089 Multicode Remote. This remote is designed to work seamlessly with Multicode 300 MHz 10-dip switch gate or garage openers. It's a perfect replacement for many models, ensuring your existing system remains functional. Please confirm your opener has 10-dip switches and a 300 MHz frequency for proper operation. Enjoy reliable control of your garage door from up to 120 feet away with its stable signal and fast transmission. This device incorporates advanced encoding and encryption, making it highly secure against theft and resistant to interference from other devices. Its simple and small design, measuring just 3.54 by 1.96 inches, makes it incredibly convenient to carry. You can easily attach it to your keychain, clip it to your car's sunshade, or simply slip it into your pocket. Setting it up is a breeze, taking only a few minutes with the included detailed manual. The complete package provides everything you need, including 2 remotes, a visor clip, and a battery, for immediate use. This product offers a cost-effective alternative, helping you save money without compromising quality. We recommend having spare units to protect against loss, damage, or wear over time. Crafted with high-quality buttons, casings, and circuit boards, this device is designed for durability. It has undergone extensive testing, proving its robust performance and superior longevity compared to older models. As a professional seller with extensive experience, we are committed to providing high-quality solutions. Should you have any questions, our 24-hour online service is ready to offer professional assistance and resolve your concerns promptly. What we like. This remote offers enhanced stability, security, and portability for your gate system. It provides reliable performance and peace of mind with its advanced encoding. If you are looking for a highly secure and stable remote for your 300 MHz 10-dip switch system, this 2-pack is an excellent, cost-effective choice. What people say. Number 4. JIELI Remote Control for Sliding Gate Opener. This remote offers complete control with 4 dedicated buttons. You can easily open, close, stop, or lock your gate with a single press. It provides all the essential functions you need. Experience convenience from a distance. This device operates effectively within 100 to 165 feet. It ensures reliable access to your gate from afar. Setting it up is incredibly simple. Just press the STU button for 2 seconds, then hold the open button on this remote. A quick beep confirms it's ready to use. Clearing all paired remotes is just as easy. Simply press and hold the STU button for 8 seconds. A beep will confirm that all previous connections have been removed. Designed for your convenience, it features a non-slip sliding cover. Its small, concise shell and included keychain make it easy to carry anywhere. Take it with you effortlessly. Please note that this remote control is specifically designed for JIELI gate openers. It ensures seamless integration and optimal performance with your existing JIELI system. This device is tailored to work perfectly with them. What we like. This remote provides dedicated functionality for JIELI systems, offering comprehensive controls. It ensures seamless integration and full command over your gate. If you specifically own a JIELI gate opener and need a reliable, dedicated remote with full open, close, stop, and lock functions, this is your perfect match. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive product features or details could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. Linear DTC Delta 3 8-dip switch remote. Introducing the upgraded remote for your linear and monomatic Delta 3 systems. This device is specifically designed for 8-dip switch, 310 MHz garage door and gate openers. Please ensure your existing remote matches these specifications for proper function. It's an ideal replacement for numerous linear DTC, DTD, DNT, DT, DTA, DT3+1, DT2D, DT2A, DT4A, Mini-T, and Ladybug models. This remote also replaces monomatic 8-dip switch units. Upgrade your old remote with this reliable alternative. Experience stable signals and fast transmission, allowing easy control of your garage door up to 140 feet away. Its advanced encoding and encryption technologies provide superior anti-theft protection and resist interference from other signals, like Wi-Fi devices. With its simple and small design, carrying it is effortless. You can easily attach it to keychains, clip it to your car's sunshade, or simply slip it into your pocket. Convenience is always at your fingertips. Programming and installation are completed in just minutes with the included detailed manual. Each 2-pack comes with 2 remotes, a visor clip, and 23 A12V alkaline batteries, providing everything you need to get started. This offers a low-cost alternative without compromising on quality. Built with high-quality buttons, casings, and circuit boards, it's designed for durability and long-lasting performance. We recommend purchasing spares to prevent future inconvenience. What we like. This remote boasts an extended range, robust build, and specific compatibility for Delta 3 systems. It ensures reliable operation from a greater distance and is built to last. If you have a linear Delta 3 system with 8 dip switches and need a remote with an impressive 140-foot range and enhanced durability, this 2-pack is ideal. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source content is empty. Number 2. Linear 3089 Multicode 3089 Visor Remote. Introducing the Linear 3089 Multicode Remote. This device is specifically designed to work seamlessly with your Multicode 300 MHz products. It ensures reliable operation for all US Multicode gate or garage door opener systems. Please note, it is not a universal remote. Setting it up is straightforward, thanks to its 10 binary dip switches. These allow for precise code matching with your existing system. For your convenience, it comes complete with a sturdy visor clip. A 9-volt battery is also included, so you can start using it right away. Enjoy dependable and secure access to your gate or garage. This remote provides a dedicated solution for your multi-code system. What we like. This remote features a classic design, specific multi-code compatibility, and a convenient visor clip. It offers straightforward functionality and easy access in your vehicle. If you prefer a traditional visor-style remote for your Multicode 300 MHz system with 10 dip switches, this is a solid, reliable option. What people say. No positive product features could be extracted as the source JSON was empty. Therefore, no specific details about product works, design, function, or features can be provided from the given input. Number 1. COZ Smart Gate Opener Remote Control. Imagine the convenience of opening your gate before you even reach it. This remote allows you to control your automatic gate from up to 100 feet away, keeping you comfortable and dry in your car. Getting started is incredibly easy. You can quickly pair it with your existing gate opener system by simply using the AN button on your opener's circuit board. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this device is both lightweight and incredibly durable. It's designed to resist wear and tear, ensuring years of corrosion-proof use. This versatile remote works with any COZ sliding gate and other 433.92 MHz non-encrypted gates. It provides reliable control for a wide range of systems. For added peace of mind, it features an auto-close function. You can set it to automatically close your gate 12, 24, or 36 seconds after opening, ensuring your property remains secure. What we like. This remote stands out with its auto-close functionality, broad compatibility, and convenient range. It adds a layer of automation and works with various systems. If you are looking for a remote that offers the convenience of an auto-close feature and broad compatibility with 433.92 MHz non-encrypted gates, this is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.